For over 25 years, the XREF Publishing Company team has been building and refining the world's largest HVACR parts cross-reference database featuring massive amounts of information on models and their parts, as well as supplies related to the entire climate control industry. Let us introduce you to the Xref Encyclopedia. No other product or information source compares to it. The data contained in the encyclopedia is completely unbiased toward any particular brand. Information on over 7,000 brands' parts can be found in Xref. This includes in excess of 1 million cross-reference records, hundreds of thousands of model parts lists, and over 150,000 part specification records. What's included in XREF data? In a nutshell, everything related to the HVACR parts world. This includes major and minor electrical and mechanical system parts, chemicals and gases for unit operation, cleaning and treatment solvents and products, and installation and maintenance tools. You can cross-reference these items, find parts lists for models, and view specifications for certain parts. Motors and air-moving components, pumps and related parts, compressors, pulleys, bearings and belts, filters and dryers for all applications, contactors, relays, switches and transformers, timers and limit controls, fuses and breakers, thermostats, pressure, humidity and temperature sensors, control circuit boards, capacitors, resistors and other electronic parts, zoning equipment, valves, fittings and solenoids, igniters, pilots, burners and orifices, gauges and metering equipment, coils, heat exchangers and line sets, hydronic and radiant equipment, adhesives, sealants, tapes, installation, and maintenance tools. You name it. If it has to do with HVAC and refrigeration, we include it in our data. Cross-reference millions of HVACR parts from thousands of brands, both OEM and aftermarket. You'll also find spec information on motors up to 50 horsepower, compressors, contactors, fan blades, and blower wheels. This is the program window. It consists of 8 components. From the top left, they are as follows: the File menu, the History controls, the Word wheel, the Control surface, the Combined Results window, Program tips, and the Main Results window. When the program opens, you'll notice that under Choose a Database to Search, Cross-Reference is selected. To get started, simply enter a search term in the search box and hit Enter or click the Start button. It's that simple. Searching in the Equipment Model database means looking up model parts list. Once you've found the model, all you need to do is click on the part number you're trying to replace, and the program will show you any relevant cross-reference records. You will not find a more complete, unbiased HVACR specific parts lookup tool anywhere. Watch the rest of our training video series to see more in-depth views of how to get the most out of the XREF Encyclopedia and its individual components.